So if you're wondering why you can't get the new hearing features on your AirPods Pro 2, then watch this video because I'll be showing you how to fix that issue. First, make sure that your iPhone or iPad is on the latest update, which is iOS 18.1 or iPadOS 18.1 or later. So in order to check that, just go to settings and then in search, just type about, and then you can go to general, and then right here you should see iOS version, and right here you should see it is iOS 18.1. So after making sure that you're on the latest iOS update, you can move on to the next step. But if you're not on the latest iOS update, please make sure to go ahead and update it to the latest update, because otherwise it won't work. So after you update your iPhone, you can move on to the next step. Also, the next thing to note is that this feature is currently only available in the United States and Canada. So if you are outside those countries, then these new features will not be available for you. So if you're in those countries, then the next thing you want to do is make sure that your AirPods Pro 2 on your iPhone is fully charged. Well, not really fully charged, but it should have a good amount of battery charge. Then you want to connect your AirPods Pro 2 to your phone like this. As you can see, mine is already connected. And then just make sure that it's connected and just put it back in the case like that. And you can close your case, and then you can put it close to your phone like this and just give it a couple minutes. It usually takes around 15 to 30 minutes for the AirPods Pro 2 to be updated. Just be patient because Apple doesn't give you the option to update this manually. It just happens automatically. And to be honest with you, I don't know when they choose to release this update or what initiate this update, but usually once your AirPods is in close proximity of your iPhone, it should update it within a couple minutes. And then once it's updated, you can go to settings to verify that you're on the latest firmware. So go to settings and go to your AirPods Pro 2 settings, and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then where you see version, you should see version 7B19, which is the firmware version that comes with the hearing features. Now, if for some reason after doing all these steps and your firmware is up to date and everything, but you still don't see those new hearing features, then just go ahead and try to forget your AirPods Pro 2 and reconnect it to your iPhone, and then give it some time and see if you get those new hearing features. But otherwise, once you're in the United States and in Canada and you're on the latest firmware update and your iPhone is also on the latest iOS update, you should be able to get these new hearing features. As I said, I know some people are having some issues even though they're in the United States. They don't have these features, but as I said, just try to factory reset your AirPods Pro 2 or try to unpair and then repair it to your iPhone, and that should do the trick. Another workaround is just to simply use a free hearing test app such as Mimi. So if you go to the App Store, there's this app called Mimi, which is a free hearing test app. So you can do your hearing test in that app if you feel like. So it's right here. You can just download it and do your test. So this will do your hearing test and will give you back that report, which you can add to your Apple Health app. But then again, you can't apply this report to your AirPods Pro 2 settings. So that's something you will be still missing out on. So with that report, you can't really like tell your AirPods to use this report to protect my ear. And another workaround is to copy and paste this link right here. I'll put it down below in the description so you guys can copy and paste it. Just copy and paste this link inside your Safari app and just do open, and this will force your iPhone to open that hearing test feature that is on the AirPods Pro 2. So just click share, and now you can see you can do the hearing test right there, and you just need to accept these questions, and you just need to place both earpods in your ear. Hit next. Hold on. Now it is. Now it's gone. Took a while to connect my both earpods. So now you can see it's in progress, but because I'm talking, it's saying too much noise, but you guys get the idea. So by using that link, it will make you be able to do an hearing test. Now, whenever you do the hearing test, after doing the hearing test this way, it still will not show you those new hearing aid features. So you still will not be able to apply this hearing test report to your AirPods Pro 2 for it to protect your ears. So that's just two workarounds that I know about at the moment. I believe there's another way to do it, like you can like change your region or something like that. I don't know too much details about that, but if you do, leave it down below in the comment section so someone else can probably do it if they're interested. Also, Apple haven't stated when these new hearing features will be available in other countries, but I'm guessing they will roll this out to everyone everyone who has an AirPods Pro 2 pretty soon. But anyways, like this video if this video was helpful to you, and also subscribe to this channel because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of October. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.